Now, what we can do to rekindle this love or to maintain this love, it depends on what stage of marriage we are in. Typically, a marriage can be divided into 6 stages. First is the honeymoon stage. We are still rosy, pink, there are lots of dreams, lots of hopes, the Yash Chopra scenes are going on in our mind. And then the second stage where the daily routine starts off. Subah utho, dabba banao, khana pakao, office jao, wapis khana pakao, wapis khana khao. Again, watch some TV, go to sleep. Saturday, Sunday mein ghar safai karo, grocery shopping karo, social obligations, this just goes on and on. Third stage would be when young kids are born into the family. So there's still more added responsibility. We need to start taking care of the children, unko drop, unka pick up, unka health issues, taking them to the doctor, taking care of their schooling. Then comes the stage when there are teenagers. These children have now grown a little older. How a couple will handle issues at this stage will determine their marriage a lot. Whether they agree or whether they argue on how to handle their kids. It may be something as simple as how much freedom to give the child, whether to buy a mobile or not to buy a mobile, whether to allow them to go for certain parties or not to allow them to go for, or whether it's a major decision like what career they should choose. If they are continuously arguing, it just shows that there is definitely some mismatch happening again of the expectation, and thus some dissatisfaction is happening. There's a time to sit down and talk. Then comes the couples where the children are adult, kids have become independent. Hai, saath mein rehte, but they don't need them anymore so much. This is the time when they start focusing back on themselves. The couples start thinking about meeting friends, relatives, siblings, want to focus on their own unfulfilled dreams, want to start going back to their old hobbies and all. And then the last comes emptiness syndrome. Children start moving away from their house, so the couple is left back alone. Either the kids have moved away, started a new family of their own, or they're still living together but too busy to really pay attention to the parents. Now again, at this stage, how the couple's relation would depend upon how they have been in the past. If they have always been emotionally connected with each other, in spite of being responsible, in spite of doing their duties right, there was an emotional connect, then they will go back to their honeymoon stage and it will be a full circle again. But if they've only been doing the right things, only the duties, responsibilities, अच्छे करना है, there was no time for them to connect at all. That's the time when they go to a stage of frustration.